Welcome. If you're feeling a little stiff, tired, low on energy, maybe struggling to stay consistent, this 10-minute session is for you. We're going to build some incredible strength and continue with this amazing consistency. Grab a chair and let's get started. Just a simple toe tap, just to warm up our bodies. Head up. Move with real intention. This one exercise, anytime through your day, builds core stability, balance. It improves our posture. So for 30 seconds, 1 minute throughout the day, brilliant exercise to help build strength and balance as I nearly fall there. Take the movement now and twist a bit. Breathe into one side, out to the other, head up high, shoulders back, real integrity with the movement. And when you connect to your breath and we bring presence into each movement, we make these short sessions so much more effective. Now continue, arms come up. We're just getting warm. I'm going to challenge you with a couple exercises today. You're going to modify, do what works best for you. Just meet me where you're at. Know your starting place. Accept the reality. And then the sky becomes the limit and we grow from there. Okay, brilliant. Last one. Excellent. Come to your chair. One of my most favorite exercises. Simple, doesn't mean it's easy. Sit to stand. Do your very best. If you can sit all the way down and rise up, wonderful. Maybe you need to use your hands to help a bit. Just do what you can. This is so great for building leg strength, core stability, balance. And again, think of moving with integrity. Slow ones to start. Connect to your breath. Head up. We're always going to want to have the ability to get in and out of a chair with strength and ease. How about that as a goal? I just move my body every day so that when I'm 120, I can get in and out of a chair with confidence and trust in my body. Last one here. Great. Come down. You're going to come with your hands to the edge of your chair and just begin to thrust your hips up. We're building strength in our arms with holding here. Really feel it in your lower back, right in the sacrum. Thrust up. Breathe into it. And again, maybe you're just coming up off the chair a little bit. If that move doesn't work for you, take a break if you need it. But just a couple more here, just to stretch things out. Last one. Now, I told you I'd challenge you. The arms might be getting tired. Excellent. Engage the core. Lift your legs up. Point that toe straight up. Building strength in the core. You're feeling it in the triceps and the shoulders, I imagine. Wonderful. You can do so much more. Your mind might be telling you to stop. Your body can keep going. I think I can. I think I can. You got it. Last couple. Well done. Stand up and just shake it out. Building circulation, really getting the blood flowing. Excellent. This again is going to be a challenge. I'm going to come, put one foot up onto the chair, and we're going to do some lunges like this. If that movement doesn't work for you, you're more than welcome. Just stand and just bend. Foot up and just come on down. Feel that incredible strength you're building in the glutes, mobility that's being created. You got this. Ooh, one more. Lovely. Other side. Maybe you want to hold on to something as well. Really engage that core. Come on up, shoulders back. Can you hold your head up high? Breathe in, out. One more. Oh, yeah. Give your legs a nice shake. Well done. Okay. Now, maybe you want to stand. We're just going to come up onto the balls of our feet. Again, core stability. So you're welcome to stay here and do this. Or you want to push yourself a little bit more. Come back, sit to stand, and come up onto the balls of your feet. Strength, balance, stability. Particularly in winter, we build all these physical attributes. We continue to build them so that we have real trust in our bodies. It's snowy, it's icy. We have confidence that we're not going to slip and fall. Do your best. If you're standing and doing this, just like this, wonderful, wonderful movement. Last one. Let's hold it all together. Let's stay up on the balls of our feet just for a moment. Just notice. Head up high. Find a spot to focus on and just hold it there for a moment. Oh, well done. Now, standing or seated, we want to get a little bit of a back bend going. Can you tap your toe and lift it up? And bring a gentle twist into it as well. So this can be from here, seated, wonderful. Just bend down a bit and feel it in the lower back and just gently twist. So standing or seated. Again, this is the kind of movement, you're sitting watching television or you're at your desk. Hey, I just need to move a little bit. It all adds up. We don't need hours in the gym. Simple movements throughout the day can do absolute wonders for us. Core stability here, building mobility in our hips, the lower back. Wonderful. Okay. Ooh, let's rise up. Chair. Again. I'm going to do a few things here. Just this plank hold is wonderful, building strength. It helps us with our posture, core stability. Try to keep a flat back, your buttocks down. On your countertop, the back of your couch, a chair, anytime throughout the day. Just hold this movement. And you can get creative. You can start to tap the shoulder. Amazing. Breathe into it. You got this. Yeah, okay. And also, how about a few leg lifts from this position? Get that leg up as high as you can. Whoa, it's slippery. I nearly went down. That would have been great. Oh, just lift it up as high as you can. And then let's take this for a little stretch. Oh, feel your spine decompressing. That's stretching all throughout your shoulders into your legs. It's a wonderful stretch. And again, while your coffee's brewing, a couple of these movements in the morning just to wake up the body is brilliant. Oh, stretch it out. Well done. Let's finish with this. Really slow. Really mindful, sit to stands, just to reinforce how wonderful this movement is and to practice it throughout your day. But we're going to do this. Head up high, pick a spot, breathe in and out. Just notice and be slow, steady. You are strong, capable, happy and healthy. Come on up. Just hold it for a moment. Close your eyes. Shift your body weight from side to side. Smile. Give yourself a pat on the back. You showed up again. Amazing. Thank you so much for being here. You truly do make this place amazing just by being you. Have a remarkable day, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.